Hey guys, what's up? Austin's gonna have fun with that because I say it in every video, I think, but I just like saying welcome to Weldtec Designs. I'm Jeremy Johnson, and today we have an awesome Quigley van that is already in the shop. We weren't quick enough to get this on the outside of the shop. But what is cool is if you have a Quigley van or somebody else's four-wheel drive conversion and you're sick of running these small tires, so on here is a 245 75 16. You want to go to a bigger tire. Maybe you want to go to a 33-inch tire, or you want to go to a 35-inch tire. We have several different lift kits that will help you do so. And on this particular van, we're going to be doing a lift, and not only a lift, but our coilover conversion kit, which is going to be awesome. We're going to be adding a set of 35s to this build. We're going to be adding a front bumper to it and a bunch of other stuff. So you're going to want to stay tuned to watch this whole build take place. It's going to be a lot of fun. If you have a Quigley, don't miss this one. I'll see you guys here in a little bit. Time to get back to work. I got no more talking. Day 2, day 1.5. We have the whole front end. We almost have this torn apart, and I'm not quite sure if we're taking more parts off of this or dirt out of this. I think he brought us enough dirt to build my kids another track. We've also removed the front bumper because we are going to be putting our front bumper on, but you can see we've removed the differential. So keep that in mind, guys. If you have a Quigley or any kind of four-wheel drive van and you're going to want to be putting the lift in there, the differential is going to have to come out in order to remove the lower A-arms. So a lot of work going on here. We'll keep you posted. We'll keep showing you all the stuff that we're doing in here. And if you have questions on any of this, please ask below. Otherwise, we're gonna keep going. It's almost time to start installing our parts. Let's have some fun. All right, so we got the whole van torn apart, and now it's about ready to start getting parts put on it. And look at all these beautiful parts right here. We still need to assemble all of these arms. So you can see these are the box lower control arms. In the coilover kit, we are going to put the uniballs in both the lower pivot and the upper pivot, which will go into the whole new cross member of the lift kit. This is going to help give us the lift along with these very pretty King coilovers right here. And look at this. Look how just sexy this mount is. So that's our coilover adapter right there. This is gonna bolt into the coil bucket, and then the top of the shock will go right in there to bolt this all in. That's what's great about this kit, is you can bolt this whole kit together. And then let's show you one other really sexy part. Ooh, right there, look at that. 6061 billet aluminum upper control arms. These things are just beautiful as well. So all of these parts are going into the coilover kit, as well as billet tire rod ends. Look at how much bigger those are compared to your stock ones. And then all the heim joints. So right now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna assemble all of these pieces. We'll show you what it looks like assembled, and then it's gonna be time to start putting them on the van. That's it. Let's go put this together. Let there be a coilover kit. So a ton of work, guys, goes into installing this. Here you really get to see all the components involved in this, not just sitting on the floor. So you can see we have our new cross members down here that are going to bolt into your frame. So another big question a lot of you guys ask is, if you have a Quigley van and you're trying to determine if you have a lift or not, you can determine that by telling if your lower arm bolts into your frame mount, which would be this mount here, or if it has a cross member and bolts below it. So that's what determines kind of if you have a lift or not. So you're gonna see that these are not what you have on most Quigley vans, as this is our whole coilover kit. This is our lower control arm. So these mounts right here are for the sway bar if you decide to add that later on. You can also see this giant steering that we have in here that's going to be almost 1.5 inches in diameter. This is all billet aluminum, and then we're gonna have the Heims on both ends. So this is going to be a lot stronger than what you have on there from the factory. You can see we've also added a limit strap to the front of this right there. And then you can see there it is, guys, that awesome 2.5 King coilover. This does have a remote reservoir, which is going to be located right here. And then this red knob right here is the adjuster, which has 20 stages. Each time I click it, you can feel it click, has 20 stages of adjustment that you can click it and make the front end stiffer. To finish this whole kit off, you can see we have our billet upper control arms up in there. This thing is all beautiful. We've gone through it, cleaned up the frame because this thing was a mess when it came in, and then a new set of knuckles as well. So there it is, guys. There's the whole kit installed on this Quigley 4x4. So now all that's left is put on these awesome, look at this right here, a Method 701. This is just breaking stuff now. Look at that. All right, Method 701. This is the Trail Series, and we have this on a this is a 315. Sorry, so we're running almost a 35-inch tire, 315 70 17. So big wheels, big tires. This thing's gonna be rad. It's also, look at that cool front bumper. We'll show you all that when we get outside though, right? Just wanted to show you this suspension before we put the wheels on. That's it, that's it. Get out of here, go on, beat it. All right guys, so we are off the rack and outside now to check out how awesome this Chevy Quigley van is. And once again, this is a 155-inch wheelbase Chevy Express van, and when it came, it definitely didn't fit 35s on there. So we already showed you guys the coilover suspension that we put on the front of this. Once the build out is done, we'll be adding springs to the rear. But let's talk about this up here, guys. So we did add a stealth winch bumper to the front of this. We always tell you guys what's great about this bumper is it doesn't stick out a bunch. You can see that it also has the winch already mounted in there, which is awesome. You guys love it. And then in the back, let's go check out this back bumper. So in the back, we have a naked bumper. This is the whole bumper, dual swing bumper. No spare tire or wheel yet. There was just too much other stuff going on. And then you have a platform here. So this is the way that they all come. So if you want to mount a box on it, you want to mount a generator there, you want to mount gas cans, maybe we just put a seatbelt on it. Okay, I don't recommend that. We're gonna get some video, some stupid person with a seatbelt on the back of it, you know? Don't do this, guys. It's only while it's sitting there. Again, a fishing pole, this is my fishing seat. Could just sit here and fish. Yeah, what do you guys think? All right, so I hope this video was helpful for any of you guys that have a Quigley van, are thinking about putting a lift on it, and you wanna go to 35-inch tires. This is the way to do it. I'm sure I missed something in this video, so if I did, please comment below. Let me know what questions you guys would like answered, and I will be more than happy to help you. And if you're watching this video, once again, I'm gonna give this shameless plug right here to Growing Up Garage, guys. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, and I need your help to do it. We are trying to promote education of tools and working in the garage, hence the name Growing Up Garage. We're gonna teach all you kids, or maybe even you adults that don't know about tools, what a wrench is, what a hammer is. That's the point of this YouTube channel. So that's all I got for you guys. I'm done, it's Friday. I'm going home. I'm gonna go have a drink, something, I don't know. See you guys.